one who paid the ultimate price. Pure and flawless is his name. Raise your voices high to the one upon the throne, where the mercy falls like rain. Sacred, sacred, sacred is the master of the thunder. The one who lived, who breathes, and who returns. With everything that breathes, I cry. Glory to the ruler of the skies. You're the fire in my eyes, and my heart forever burns. Wrapped in a prism of blinding